This is a stone circle at the cricket field in Dolgellau. It doesn't look original to me. It looks like it was tourist attraction he put here. Yeah, Aslan's table in the middle. I could be wrong. No, it could be genuine. Looking at the lichen on some of these stones, they are very old. So it might not have been put in the 50s by Gwynedd Council. You just never know though, do you, these days? I wonder why those two are offset. Yes. Yes, darling? Ozzy, Ozzy, Ozzy. Ozzy, Ozzy, Ozzy. Ozzy, Ozzy, Ozzy. You come in. Come on then, come on then. Coming up. Yeah, he's a big softy, aren't you? A big softy. Come on, this way.
Up, up. Good boy. Sit, sit, sit. Oscar.
No, he's too busy sniffing. Head full of his own thoughts.
It's unlocked so we can't run away. Do you let him off the lead?
No, not on here.
Well, this wasn't a field.
There's Cadda Idris up in the distance.
Me and Oscar.